Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. I hope that you guys are doing well. So today we are in Ikeja. I actually came to do an assessment for a client that has an apartment in Ikeja that he wants to do for Shortlet. And as I was driving, I saw this place called Abula Tawa. I think it's formerly called beautifuol. And it's on this street. I forgot what this street is. Is this Allen Avenue or Baby? Somewhere in Ikeja, but I'll add the address later. So I figured I would try some Amala on the mainland today and take you guys with me. Let's go. So here's the place. Very cool. So here's the entrance to the place. I love wood, so this is already feeling pretty good. Nice ambience here. If one does not eat Amala because of Abula, one should eat Abula because of Amala. Abula Tawa. Ooh. Check out the ambience. This is quite nice. Wow. This is cool. We even have some games. Wow. The decoration is beautiful. Look at this canoe. It's like a boat. And then they have also a nice sitting area here, all wooded out. Love the light fixtures. They also have meat, chicken, mama. More sitting area here. Beautiful. Ooh, look at this mama with Kelly. Okay, I found my hook well up. So about Leshimanta one. 500 per wrap. Oh yeah, a mini wrap meji. You want how many do you want? Ogunfe wabi. Abula Tawa. Abula Tawa. Tawa. Okay. Abula Tawa. Tawa. Our own. Titiwa. Like Tawa. Tawa. Oh yeah. Abula Tawa. Abula Tawa.
And if it was Tiwa, you will have signed the name.
It's it's like how your band is like Tiawa. So they just hello. Meji. She bushmeat lela bi kilo len bi bae. Assorted ni okay.
So Bayo, I'm gonna get a bushmeat.
Okay. Ogunfe lo wa bi bae.
FM see. Yeah, but I'll be too full. You can wait to share it.
No. No, it's to make it to film.
That's good.
I started well any be by. Eba mi fi ewo ni okun. Intestine.
No, the heart.
Oh, eba fi yensi. Eba fi heart cancer. Begri atewedu. No problem.
Don't start this place now.
Just walk out and anyway.
I think I can get it. I know that art market in that one day.
Okay. Eba fi okun. Heart. Má jogun fe náà, má jẹ méjèèjì.
It is just assorted.
Show nìyẹn. Oh.
No.
Ẹ jẹ́ n wo ká tó fi sí. Okay, show nìyẹn. Ẹ̀dọ̀ nìyẹn.
Looking for it.
Kí nìyẹn? Fuku.
Fuku.
Oh, mo like fuku. Ẹ bá ń fi fuku sí. Correct. No, yẹn ti wà okay. Èwo ni ọkùn? Ṣé ní ọkùn
He's
bẹ́ẹ̀?
looking for it.
Show nìyẹn. Is it soft or
I
hard?
like it.
Ẹ bá ń fi sí. So ọkùn is stomach.
No, upper is heart.
Heart. Oh, okay. So I got heart and okay, tó fẹ́ mi báyà. Heart and
Definitely Shaki.
what's the other thing
Fuku.
I got? What's fuku?
Fuku.
Kí ni fuku ní? Kí ni fuku ní
Mo
English?
like relate everything you. Auntie, you know. Mo like bí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà láàrin ẹ̀yẹ. Ẹ ti get. Máa ń jẹ́ kókó jẹ́ Shaki nìkan. Aha. Okay. No, ẹ fún ní ògúnfe.
Kí ni fuku?
Fuku.
Fuku. Kí ni in English? What's that? Okay. Ẹ bá mi fògúnfe náà sí tèmi, but mi okay, mi ò fẹ́ ògúnfe tó ní skin púpọ̀, àwọn tí ò ní yeah. Is that one okay for you?
No, ẹ tẹ́nu bá wà, mo ò fẹ́ gbogbo. Okay. Okay.
Mi ò fẹ́ tó ní skin púpọ̀. Bóyá yẹn wà okay. Yeah. The journey. You know what? Okay, I think. Oh, okay. I'm a manager, actually. Oh, to no. I'm not for this. Okay.
Ẹ fọ bẹ̀sẹ̀ fún mi, wọ́n fẹ́ lè. Yeah.
Actually, ma. Okay, kí ni total ti tèmi báyìí? Ṣé tèmi lélẹ̀? Èló lélẹ̀ báyìí? So kí èló ni ògúnfe? Ẹran assorted nǹkan? 115. Then Amala 500. Oh, ẹ̀ ń charge fún gbẹ̀gìrì àti ewédú náà, ẹ̀yin ò bá wá? Okay, so gbogbo eléyìí báyìí is 85. Okay, alright. Yes. Alright guys, moment of truth. It's so hot that I just have to use a spoon. You guys can see. Flavor is good. Ooh, but it's hot, man. Whew. The Amala is good. Would I rate it higher than all the other ones I've tried? No, but it's good. So I got palm wine, premium uplands palm wine. Guys, I'm making a lot of mess. Anyways, that's the palm wine. That's nice. Alright guys, I am stuffed. So we have finally finished eating. I would say I would rate this restaurant like a 7.58ish. Their food was good. I would say 7.58 on average. I would say cost-wise, I think it's a bit on the higher side, but at the same time, you're paying for all those decoration and the service and all of that. I think it's the first time I see people charging separately for the gbegiri, separate for the ewedu, separate for the amala. So my plate ended up being 8,500 naira. Would this be a place that a lot of people can just stop by to get food all the time? No. That's probably why the place is not crowded. But is it a good place for like a date or just hang out, or a place that you go out occasionally? Or if you don't want to go to, you want AC, a nice environment, I think it's good for that. Anyways, guys, that is my review of this restaurant. Check it out if you're in the mainland area. I just wanted to just share another food episode with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this about life in Lagos, subscribe, like this video. And if you just want restaurant things to do, restaurant reviews, all types of stuff, check out my book, lifeinlagosbook.com. I have so much stuff on there about maneuvering life in Lagos and things to do and where to eat and all of that stuff. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.